welcome back on Top Night Show for today. Today, now the 20th of February 2015.
Why 20 don't reach, show?
20 don't reach, sharp, then go pay salary. I can have salary very, very soon. Maybe not this month, maybe not next month, who knows? But let us have faith in God.
God wins.
If God can part the Red Sea. Anyway, Pastor here, you don't sit down as usual. In case you don't know, a live event very, very soon with Pastor here, a relationship straight talk with Inhai, they come up very, very soon. And then Pastor here, book where you call What Every Woman Should Want in a Man.
And
what every woman should want in a man.
What every man
should want in a woman. That book, they come out very, very soon. For all those of all of us, need them. Everybody need them.
They go fit buy them outside Lagos.
Yes. Once it's set, once soup done, they go
that book, okay, as if you Nedu, we must buy 2 copies.
No, we're going to give away copies.
Yes, we're going to.
Anyway, topic we'll go discuss today on Top of the Night Show. Our phone numbers go on top of TV, and then on top of Twitter at W Night Show. Make you follow us, make you begin the talk. And then if you tag Pastor Inhai as well, at Inhai1 for Twitter, as you
like
follow us.
15C title.
Inhai1. Oh, if you want.
And so.
What would you want?
That is it.
Our discussion for today now, sexual satisfaction. Dana, wiping satisfaction. Wow. Wiping satisfaction. And I'm be today on. Anyway, make we hand over straight now to Pastor Inhai as we continue for the 90 show. Make we now listen to get your phone. Because, this topic of today, blood of God.
Okay.
Over to you, Pastor Inhai.
All right, thank you.
Make I cross leg and listen. See, this one night. I don't open.
No, so
maybe you quick talk. You for yours, observe this easy. Why you do like this? No, you don't see before. It get as
easy keep face eyes, but now here
you get as when you don't remember that Valentine time.
They do like say busy. They look
easy way in now in that class. Easy con day they do either this. They be like sponge. They so everything. You will never ask easy what they do on top Valentine.
Okay. All right. So this is what we're going to discuss today in sexual satisfaction. Pidgin English, no, they too. You know, say that thing. As they do talk, they.
Yeah, you don't talk about say that.
It had small sexual satisfaction. I could live on so. The story where we hear for Kaduna, unfortunately, a real story. Where women, no be 2, no be 3, no be 10, no be 50. Don't sit down as gist, take rich gist. It can be like saying now a whole community
gather themselves
where they enjoy sexual satisfaction.
You know, sorry to cut you. You know how to take reason that thing. And maybe my man could not
gist.
One morning man could not sit down. They squeeze face.
If they do beans, if they select beans.
Man, why is your face like this?
No, it's not.
Why is your face like this?
My sister, leave me, Jare. What's happened? These useless people. They go deal with you like this for house. You go say better people there. Hey, Jare, what do you want back?
Oh, wait. Now your husband you dey talk. It happened to me too. Man, it happened to. Hey, we are going to protest.
It is spread. So the point be say, very few people. They really, for marriage, they truly enjoy sexual satisfaction. And it means, say, na serious subject matter. Because the way man and woman, then God take wire them, is different. Woman gets process where you go take work. Man a very physical entity. You know, make we start from the man. Man a visual and physical. So basic things like hips, lips, fingertips, curves, color, height. Already, those things don't already they work before you even touch the.
No wonder
those programs don't they run. That's why you see some men get spec. Some people not so them be. Once they see slim woman, they're already done comfortable.
Now why Kim Kardashian and Nicki Minaj they sell?
Hi.
I love it. Control yourself.
After now, you tackle me.
You see the 2 people where you mentioned already. We don't indeed they take stars, suspect Nedu spec, but we thank God say you don't marry. We thank God say you don't marry. So the man na very physical being. So those things already don't they affect him. While woman are more of an woman no be say physical attitude affect woman, but now more of an emotional being. So no be even the way they do. Now how you they take do am. Now they take happen. So sexual satisfaction different from sexual intimacy. Wait now.
Okay.
Wait. Sexual satisfaction different from sexual intimacy. Sexual intimacy now when man and woman they meet.
Okay.
But who they happy? Now it be sexual satisfaction. So man and woman feel meet for 10 years. The woman never experienced sexual satisfaction. The man self feel never experienced sexual satisfaction.
Wait, sexual satisfaction now when person Larry like sorry, make I talk am.
When he reach last bus stop.
Wait, when he
cross
two of them reach the same last bus stop at the same time.
No, you see say that one now na double climax.
Okay.
But don't be sure they discuss.
Okay.
But ultimately, if it happen like that, the kind of signs and wonders.
Yeah. Victory from Akoka. We never begin take call, but victory from Akoka. Victory.
It's the sign of victory.
Kingsley from Akoka. We never begin take call, but we answer your call. Kingsley from Akoka.
Oh boy, what for you, bro?
Sorry, no verse. It's the devil's work. Now devil work. Hello?
Hello?
Hello? We
I
hear you.
hear you.
I think the bottom is not happy. They're not driving.
No, you get problem with your line. No,
call us back. But more now wait first. We never begin to call. Now we never begin to call. Make person here and discuss first. Then when we go break, come back, we go begin to take on our calls. Right now we never begin to calls. More than no verse. Over to you.
Okay, so before I even continue, make we first clarify. Say all this what we discuss now. Now in the context of marriage.
Okay, not the relationship.
Yes.
Now marriage.
So please, before we mix them up, now context of marriage where we they discuss.
So the context of relationship can be different.
It completely different because now it don't become sports and God go help them. It don't turn youthful sports, but no bit what I want to talk about today. You know now it don't become sport or hobby or pastime, but no be the discussion. No, we come back to our. So sexual intimacy. Now, when man, woman come out clothes, they touch, they satisfaction. Now, when both of them, after you don't finish, say the journey why I enter, I finish them.
In normal English, where people know. Now say after they finish everything, the man go look the woman say, baby, did you come? The man go say, I come. Baby go the woman, then too, then
those
came.
Kind, yes. So now because of the way man be. It happen.
They reach promised land together and they don't live like that.
Wow, Pastor Katim, could just. So the way this thing they happen, when man and woman meet like that, because of the way man own be, whether he happy or he not happy, he go reach.
He go reach.
So now why they be like say now the woman they vex pass because the woman known. No be only waiting you do now even the things where you know do
and how you take.
Yes. Smell, atmosphere, pressure, texture, tension. You know, a lot of variables there inside this thing for woman. So if man no understand, most times man go just lighting.
If they like they green and
a lot of things they happen. The heat, the no heat, how we take, variables.
Afternoon or night time.
So, but for the man, once he reach like that to go.
Wow.
For in mind, and now why would they teach? It's a very important subject because a lot of women don't bring this subject up, and not trouble it causes for house.
Yes.
Because the man don't say, look, I don't do my work, I don't finish, we don't close shop.
I don't wait trouser.
And and sometimes one woman send me a message one day say, why after sex, before bathroom go come back, man don't sleep. And we'll go discuss that one.
They say no every time.
Wait, we have that discussion. The man, because as it happens, so I read one research where talk say the kind of calories when man they lose for sex past the one where the woman they lose.
Oh, no wonder they say make man chop very well.
So now very especially the climaxing, now very exacting. The vibrations and the you can't control it.
Person fit die from that.
Of course now. If you get
Jesus Christ. Continue. No, I'm just trying to. Oh God.
No,
So,
as you talk at night, it makes sense.
yeah, so
things where
you know, so heart condition, all those things they happen. But for the woman, now the whole process. These people they laugh.
The man, make the man, Pastor, make the man carry load.
I know why they laugh.
Make the man carry load when you
laugh.
You know, say for the woman, now the entire process. Now from when the man come back from work, the kind of things when don't text. For those who get, you know, one lady sent message last week, say, oh, like this is not very practical. And the thing about relationship, now, no be theory, now practical. You know, so if we talk, say, they try say I love you, we don't mean say make you just think am. We mean say when you reach house, if they shame as man to tell you why you love her, close eyes, talk am. But now the doing, now you go create the result. No be say you come seminar or you sit down or then now she they do am. So for woman, now the whole experience, maybe when the man do like say, you know, if you work again for office, you know, from when he talk say, I don't tire, I define how I go to organize myself, but I know say you go cure me now. Now you. And now intro. Now around 3, drop down one, hang up. You know. Around 5, he said I don't enter car. Say I don't enter car, I dey come.
Okay.
As you reach house, say I don't pack, I don't leave my laptop for office.
So make sure they mentally ready?
All na preparation.
Ah, Pastor, you are too much.
All na, you know, because woman an emotional person. Okay. So she don't they look forward to how we go take, you know. Because the way woman in the process is different from the way man in the process. Like I use my own.
But some men go lazy now to do this.
Wait, now make I use my own example. I'd always tell my wife, say I get a lot of games where we feel playing.
Okay.
And it don't taste small. I don't they busy, they travel, they seminar. One day we just they talk. She said, man, where the game? Where we go play?
You're even good. Bring me food. If you carry the food, come.
Say take
every
chop.
time I say they say then get game. Game will not see you. Will not even see anything.
Anyway, God did.
You know, and the truth be say, I for vex natural man behavior for just form anger. But they talk her own because the woman more often than not, they satisfy the man. The man terms and conditions, the list of terms and conditions, they're very small.
No, women own it.
Now just one line, terms and conditions apply. For woman, you go bring out the catalog keep, because a lot of things, if you don't vex them, and you, set off and the 2 of you are in it, not only you just they look you. But because she's wired, she don't even understand how the man they take. Sometimes, you know, say woman, single people, look, as now they hear, don't try yourself, oh. You know, say woman fits fast forward man agenda for when they get sex.
Yes, of course.
You go hurry him up, and the man go vex because he just off in program. You just arrange. The man go just say, now like this thing will take end like this. Because the woman don't know I'm finished. Say, you know, they won't try do anything for me. And when the second phase now, when we come begin teach men how to come the day involved in the part. Sometimes, I talked to someone this week about this. Say sometimes you don't necessarily get to come as man. If you don't taste more where your wife never experienced last bus stop.
Put yourself for back seat.
Sometimes step back and then now you be the real worker. So if you don't know, they ask. God go help you. After a while, you're supposed to learn them. But they ask. So now how you want to make how you want to make and the truth be say, you go surprise, say you go score if you do them. It means say you they think about how she how she today, because sometimes then just man go just come up boxers.
But some women know they like me. You to ask questions.
Wait now, if you don't know, we see. But if you don't know, you don't know. If you don't know, there's no magic now. The two way they see, now the two way you know. So sometimes the woman self go help him, but we go discuss all these things. The woman sometimes go help him.
But Pastor, sorry, but you know, say women, thank God say you did. Some women they different. It gets from their own. It go take them like 2 minutes they don't Larry. You don't understand?
They
Some
don't
Larry,
They don't reach promised land.
They don't reach promised land.
It's a serious man.
They don't Larry. Chap. Some, you go do everything.
No, you see, eh?
They carry toothpick.
But you see, I feel explain that one.
They do what you think no.
I don't know.
No.
I don't know, easy.
Wait, but now lie they lie.
Not lie.
I don't know now.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's all right. It's
Yeah.
all right. So,
Maybe
like I talk, now the emotional orientation of the woman. She feed on vex. The man feed, maybe don't they wait for the man to apologize. The man no agree. So her mind, her emotions, they connected to her satisfaction. So as the man don't vex him, so it doesn't matter what the man do. He don't prepare for him. He don't ready. He don't free him for mind. Man, na physical being. So once flesh touch him,
You don't go.
they're already confused. So now, as the whole sexual satisfaction thing they take go, when we marry, now then we go know the sexual orientations of our partners. Sexual orientation, if the man, no.
Okay.
If the man don't they sexually active before he marry, it means say if it even get problem of even staying longer because it already engine don't they run, you know. So it's not very easy. If the woman don't they sexually active before, she go they easily bored or frustrated. Because if you come marry proper boy, where one, you know, you go stand.
Now, what makes some people they like them? Some men they say they want marry virgin.
Then some women go say I want bad boy.
I want bad boy.
Because for her mind, if not very serious boy, you go just come on shirt and then go stand. You two go come out in shirt. Then I go sit down. Then I go lie down.
I go first touch hand.
You know, you don't say. Back we no burn some people cable, but for some people they don't over. They don't over-analyze this thing. So how you take happen, both of them go first lie down, then one person go off light. You know?
Then go on the green light or the red light.
No. If you on light, if you spy something,
you go spy, no
everything go off, then everybody just lie down. Then person will just carry hand, like say maybe they sleep. Like say they sleep. You go just do like say they stretch. You know. Can't leave him. As the hand go there, you can't leave him.
Then you say go
no,
say
no, wait,
you don't start.
Wait, hey, you can't leave him. They can't move the small finger. They move him. Because you see,
you don't do this thing before. You don't come at me.
Make I explain to the happen for studio now. Easy, no fully understand these two people will fully understand what they happen. That's how they laugh. Because you see, this thing they happen and na reality. As the small figure come they go.
Then you, that's so maybe
make you no come spoil something. If you leave like that too long, if you frustrate him or he go bruise the ego. So if you no respond.
So which hand they do this movement now?
Any of the hand, anyone where they near the man hand. The man as you don't rest hand like you can't begin move the small one.
So the woman for her man go to say, hey, you don't come, and I be say,
So now she because she don't she got to say this man don't start again. If I don't do anything, this is not problem. Okay, like so make I just hurry this thing up. You go just carry in hand, they help him. They, just move the hand, move him, move him where it's supposed to. And then man, they just, But the truth be say, that now the awkwardness of sexual intimacy. And it not supposed they so pronounced. If both of them don't leave all, can't date together. No shame. Say you fall your own hand in front of your wife. No shame. Say you fall your hand in front of your husband. Who else you want for hand?
Abi.
Now your husband. If you don't know, now there now go know. And trust me, no be bad thing. Now get the rest of your life to learn. So if from week 1, una don't finish textbook, reach back page. You don't say now una self go tire for una self. So if una no feel bad. Say you don't know anything. If they watch us and if you say your husband they boring or your wife they boring, you get from now till both of them die to learn. So why wait till you go to teach them, you go to teach you.
And I feel say sometimes it need discussion.
Yes.
It need discussion. I make una sit down say
some people don't know how to bring up this kind of matter. Especially when for environment they never teach people sexual education.
Yes.
So it's awkward to discuss
that kind of thing.
Yes, sexual intimacy with your wife. Meanwhile, that's so it's supposed to be.
Follow lane together.
Yes, as they ask him, say, sometimes it turn into joke. Whether they finish, Ask whether you follow me reach last bus stop. You know, sometimes if he just, because of the way you ask him, if he just to free you, say, yeah, we thank God, say we don't.
Some go tell you, say, oh, my dear, Papa, hold up. Anyway, sorry, Pastor, we will pass more chicken break for you. When we come back, we will continue on top of the matter. When we come back, you go feed the callers for phone, make we answer the topic where you, your question where you get on top things we contain wiping.